Alright guys, in this video we're going to be putting a fuel pump on the Green Goblin. Alright guys, this is my 94 short bed pickup, and I'm not going to take the bed off or cut a hole in the bed to get to the pump, and then I'm just going to drop the tank, try to replace it. So we'll see how that goes. This bolt's bent, it goes around the strap, but I think this whole brace right here comes off. It's got nuts on the other side of the frame here, so we got to take them out, and that bolt right there, it goes to this strap. Alright, right here's the bolts. You got 1, 2, 3, and then another one right there. You got 4 bolts that attaches this arm to the frame. So I'm going to start by taking them off. Alright, I got me a jack holding the fuel tank just in case it starts falling while I take these bolts out. Alright, now I'm going to take this bolt out this strap right here. And all these bolts were 15 millimeter. Alright, I got the bolt out of the strap. The strap hanging there. It's a pretty long bolt. Anyway, I got all them nuts off there. So now I'm going to try to slide this tank over so this bracket will clear the frame right here. But you gotta watch these wires, don't pull on them. Alright, we gotta disconnect the filler tube right there in the vent hose, both of them. Alright, I got the fill tube and the vent tube disconnected there. Then we'll try to set her down. Try to get this to clear here and hold it down easy. Alright, so as you let it down and cock it over a little bit, you can get those bolts to clear. But now I'm going to try to disconnect the wire. There's a clip right here where it plugs in. Alright, I got the harness unplugged. There's still a ground wire, and it's bolted to the frame up here. I got a 13 millimeter wrench that fits it. I'm just going to take that bolt out. Alright, I got that bolt out, and this whole clip ended up coming off the frame. So I guess Could have left it plugged up until you drop the tank, or either way. But yeah, I got the ground wire off, so now we can lower it on down. All right, guys. I got it sitting there sideways because it really wasn't enough hose there to set it all the way down. It was pulling on all of these pretty hard, kind of bending them. So I got these sitting on the frame rail, holding it at an angle there until I disconnect these fuel lines, and then I can take the tank out. Just gonna spray me some PB blaster on them connections. Alright guys, got them lines took off. I used a 5/8 line wrench and a 19mm regular wrench. Got them off, so now we can pull the tank out. Alright guys, we got the tank out. Now I'm gonna clean all this crud up. Just take a screwdriver and scrape it and vacuum it all up. Get it cleaned up pretty good. Alright, I got it cleaned up pretty good. It's got a lot of real sticky stuff on it. Anyways, now we're gonna take a screwdriver, and there's little tabs here, and there's one right there, and there's one up under there. But anyways, you gotta twist that ring. Take a hammer and a screwdriver and twist this ring around to get it off. Alright, got the ring off. And pull the pump out. Alright guys, there it is. Alright, so I got it back the way I took it out. Leaned over to the side so I can hook these lines back up. So we'll hook those up in this wiring harness, and then we can lift it back up in there. Alright, so we got it jacked up there, and I just slid these in the holes there, kind of help hold it. Now I'm gonna put the nuts on real quick, just lightly, and then we can hook up the fill tube and the vent tube, get that back on there, and then put the strap on. We'll be done. Alright guys, I got the fill and the vent back on there. Got everything bolted back up. So, I guess we done. Maybe take it for a test drive and see if we got any leaks. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Till next time. See you.